Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hey besties. So I just got this in the mail from Secret Nail Affair. I found them on Instagram and I thought they were super cute. They had so many charms and polishes, so I thought I would, order a few things. They were so cheap I couldn't help myself. So if you're interested in seeing what I ordered from Secret Nail Affair, the charms and the gel polish swatches, then please keep on watching. I ordered a bunch of nail charms. You guys, I could not for the life of me get these little jars open, so I attached pictures at the top from Instagram of how they're supposed to look on your nails. And this is the last set of charms that I got from the Stunna edition. Comment down below if you guys want to see me order more of those nail charms or even like the stickers and glitters from the Stunna edition, and I'll be more than happy to. I just didn't want to buy a whole bunch of stuff for no reason. So I got these nail testers so that I can do the swatches for you guys. They were super cheap. I think they were like $6. This is cute. Ooh, it smells very strong. That's the one thing I'll say. Their polish smells very, very, very strong. I don't know how to feel about that, but very pretty. Very pretty. I'm obsessed. And the color goes all the way, like it shines all the way through the back. So 2 coats, and it's so pretty. I can't wait to try this. Now let's do a second coat. Wait, which one? Okay. Wait, which one did I just have? Alright, so here's those 2 colors. Here's the back. And here's the front. Here's what they look like. I cannot even tell which is which. Like, I honestly have no clue. They look exactly the same. So I kind of wish that I had only bought one, because I can't even tell the difference. So do with that information what you will. I cannot tell the difference. I thought I knew at first. I think this is the more pinky one, and this is the more icy pink one. All right. This is from the Sweet Dreams collection, and they have like little bits of glitter in them. I don't know if you can see, but that is just so beautiful. I've never seen anything like this. Do you see the little chunks? This is after it's cured. I don't know if those reflex are picking up on the camera, but so those are the 3 colors so far. This is it after 2 coats. You can see just how sparkly and pretty that is. Here's what it's looking like after the second coat. Very pretty. That's the underside. This is the top side. Very cute. You can see the difference between those two pink shades. This is what it looks like cured after one coat. It's very cute. It's more like a yellow. I think you'll be able to tell more after the second coat. Swatch the shade 023. This one looks iridescent, kind of like these two up here. So I'm hoping it looks different. I'm really praying it looks different because then I could have saved some money. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, ooh. This is so pretty. This is so cute. I've never seen anything like this. It like looks clear from certain angles and then you see the reflex. Oh, I can't wait to use this. All right, that's it cured after one coat. Super pretty. So here's what it's looking like after two coats. And this is the shade 023. This is so fascinating. Like this is literally just, look, it looks clear. And now there's color. Clear, color. And here's all the shades. This is everything I ordered from Secret Nail Affair. Thumbs this video up if you want to see more videos like this.